Morning children, open your new Sparkle semester series, standard senior KG semester 2nd book. Yesterday we have completed consonant blunts L and S. Consonant blunts L and S. So what we have seen yesterday? When two or three letters that are not vowels are placed next to each other in a word, they make a sound. These are blunts. Repeat the sounds of the L blunts given below. CL, that is clap, clap, class, clip. Clap, class, clip. BL, blue, bless, blood. Blue, bless, blood. Please, try, please, play, plain, plus. SL, sleep, slow, sleep. Sleep, slow, sleep. Then FL, FLAP, flap, flag, flap, flag, flip. Flap, flag, flip. GL, glass, gland, glow. Glow, glass, gland, glow. This is L blunts words we have read yesterday. Yes or no? And here consonant blunts S also. SK, skate, skate, skin, skip. Skate, skin, skip. SM, small, smoke, smart. Small, smoke, smart. SN, snail, snack, snake. Snail, snack, snake. SW, SW, swan, sweet, swim. Swan, sweet, swim. SC, scale, scan, score. Scale, scan, score. SP, spell, spell, spin, spin, spoon. ST, star, steer, stuck. Star, steer, stuck. We have completed the blunts L blunts words and also S blunts words. Now we will come to the page number 34. Consonant blunts are blunts. Consonant blunts are blunts. Page number 34. Repeat the sound of the R blunts given below. Repeat the sounds of the R blunts given below. See here. BR, that is BRAY, bray. BRAY, bray. BREAK, break. BREAK, break. And BROWN, brown. Brown. TR, TRAY, tray. TRAY, tray. TREE, tree. Tree, R, REE, trap. TRAP, trap. TRAY, tray. TREE, tree. TRAP, trap. Pray, PRAY, pray. PR words, PRAY, pray. RAY, print, print, rint, 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 print, PRIZE, prize. Pray, print, prize. Then CR, C-R-A-F-T, craft. C-R-A-F-T, craft. C-R-U-S-T, crust. C-R-U-S-T, crust. C-R-A-C-K, crack. C-R-A-C-K, crack. F-R, F-R-O-G, frog. F-R-O-G, frog. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. F-R-Y, fry. F-R-Y, fry. G-R, G-R-A-S-S, grass. G-R-A-S-S, grass. G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-Y, grey. G-R-E-Y, grey. Grass, green, grey. Grass, green, grey. Seer, B-R-A-Y, bray. B-R-A-Y, bray. B-R-E-A-K, break. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Bray, B-R-A-Y, bray, break, brown. Tray, tree, track. Tray, T-R-A-Y, tray, tree, track. Pray, print, prize. P-R-A-Y, pray, P-R-I-N-T, print, P-R-I-Z-E, prize. G-R, G-R-A-S-S, grass. G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-Y, grey. C-R-A-F-T, craft. C-R-U-S-T, crust. C-R-A-C-K, crack. Craft, crust, crack. F-R-O-G, frog. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. F-R-Y, fry. Frog, fruit, fry. This way you have to read the R blunts words. Sounds of R blunts. Now consonant blunts. Consonant blunts. Repeat the sounds of the blunts given below. Repeat the sounds. 3-letter consonant blunts. Spray, S-P-R-A-Y, spray, S-P-R-A-Y, spray. Sprit, S-P-R-I-N-T, sprit, S-P-R-I-N-T, sprit. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. S-P-R, blunts. Spray, spray, S-P-R-A-Y, spray. Sprit, S-P-R-I-N-T, sprit. And S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Stray, S-T-R-A-Y, stray, S-T-R-A-Y, stray. Strip, S-T-R-I-P, stray, S-T-R-A-Y, stray. Strip. And string, S-T-R-I-N-G, string. S-T-R, blunts, S-T-R, blunts. Some letters come together to produce one sound. Some letters come together to produce one sound. That is chip, C-H-I-P, chip, C-H-I-P, chip. W-H-A-L-E, well, W-H-A-L-E, well. R-O-U-G-H, rough, R-O-U-G-H, rough. S-H-I-P, ship, S-H-I-P, ship. P-H-O-N-E, phone, P-H-O-N-E, phone. T-H-O-R-N, thorn, T-H-O-R-N, thorn. Cheap, well, rough, phone. Ship, ship, thorn. Ship, thorn. This is chip, chip. Whale, rough. Phone, ship, thorn. Thorn, T-H-O-R-N. Thorn means kata. Word, page number 36. Word building. Word building. Form words by joining the consonant blunts in the bubbles to the letter in the middle. In the middle. T-R-Y. Right here. T-R-Y. Try. T-R-Y. Try. Here. C-R-Y. C-R-Y. Cry. Try. Cry. Here. F. This you write FR as it is, you write FR. Only this one middle word you write here. Middle word, fry. FRY, fry. DR you write. DR, write this Y. This way you have to write. See here. Try, try, cry, fry, dry. Try, fry, cry, dry. You have to write. Now, join the consonant blends to form a new words. Here. BL, BL. Okay. You write here BL. Have you understood? BL. And now add this ACK, ACK, ACK. So, what is this? BLACK, black. BLACK, black. They have given the direction, no? BL you write first. Here also you do the same thing. See here. BL. E-N-D. B-L-E-N-D. Blend. B-L-E-N-D. Blend. Black. Blend. Okay. Now see here. Write this here. Write this here. S. S. L. O W, slow. S L O W. See the arrow? S L O W, slow. Then again you write here S. S. Again write L. Yes. Now I D E add there. Slide. Slow. Slide. Slow. Slide. Have you got? Yes. Now T R you write here. T R. Have you got? Yes. Now here also you write TR. TR. I am showing you this easy method. That means you can write easily during exam time. Okay. TR. TR. TR you wrote, no? Both side TR. TR. Now here you keep your finger over here and write here TR. A-C-K. Track. TRACK, track. And this is TREND, trend. TREND, trend. Okay. Understanding or not? Okay. Now see here. This one now, SH right here. SH. Okay. Here also, the second line also you do the same thing. SH. Now write here spelling SHEEP. SHEEP. Have you wrote? Sheep. Yes. Now SHARP. 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 See here. Have you got? Yes. Now see here. GL. Right here. GL. GL. Here also you write GL. Have you wrote? Yes. Now you write here the spelling of glass. GLASS. And here you write GLO. GL you have already wrote, no? O and W. Just you write O and W. If I give you like this to write, means you will be able to write. Now only CLOWN. 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 Clown, C-L-I-M-B, climb. This you should write. This only one you try to write your own. Everything is given. I have told you clown will come here, here climb will come. You write. You try to find out and write. Okay. You try to find out and write. Will you be able to write? Yes. See here. Black, blend, P-L-E-N-D, blend, black, blend, slow, slide, track, trend, ship, sharp, glass, glow, clown, C-L-O-W-N will come here, and C-L-I-M-B, climb. This you write. You write. Have you understood? And the same thing you have to write in your 4-line book also. In your 4-line book. You have to write this all in your 4-line book. Write in your 4-line book also, okay? Now I'll take one more rhyme, that is page number 46. Page number 46. What I have completed? X is a letter, rhymes. X is a letter, aquatic animals I have completed. Today I will take one more rhymes. One more rhyme, that is page number 46. Vans, vans, vans. Vans, vans, vans. Vans go past my street. Vans go past my street. You know, sometimes fast and sometimes fast and sometimes slow. Carrying light or heavy things. Vans, you know, no? Milk van, ice cream vans and vans will be there. What they will do? Sometimes they will go fast and sometimes they will go slowly. Carrying light or heavy things. Milk and ice cream, they bring milk, ice cream, big or small, red, blue or green color. Vans are the busiest things I have seen. Vans are very busy. Okay. Now, vans go past my street, you know, sometimes fast and sometimes slow. Carrying light or heavy things. Milk and ice cream, they do bring. Big or small, red, blue or green. Vans are the busiest things I have seen. Vans are very busiest thing. Vans are always busy. Okay. Let's sing this rhyme in rhythm. We will sing in rhythm. Vans go past my street. Vans go past my street. You know, sometime fast and sometimes slow. Sometime fast and sometimes slow. Vans go past my street. Vans go past my street. You know, sometimes fast and sometimes slow. Sometimes fast and sometimes slow. Carrying lights or heavy things. Milk and ice cream they do bring. Big or small, red, blue or green. Vans are the busiest thing I have seen. Vans go past my street. Vans go past my street means they are saying that vans are passing through their street. उनके दरवाजे से वैन्स जाते रहते हैं. It may be milk van or ice cream van. It may be heavy, it may be light also, and milk and ice cream van will be going. They will be seeing colored big or small. It will be red color, blue color, green color. Vans are the always busiest, they are saying. Okay, vans go past my street, vans go past my street, you know, sometimes fast and sometimes slow, sometimes fast and sometimes slow, carrying lights or heavy things, carrying lights or heavy things, milk and ice cream they do bring, milk and ice cream they do bring, big or small, red, blue or green, big or small, red, blue or green, vans are the busiest I have seen, vans are the busiest I have seen. Okay children, in this way you have to learn by heart the rhyme also. You have to learn by heart the rhyme also. When I will complete these flowers for the next video, that time I will complete the question answers. Okay children, you have to write the words. Today what I have taught you are Blunt's words. You have to write page number 34 words. All words you have to write for 5 times. Page number 34, 35, 36, all you have to read and write for 5 times words, and learn by heart the rhyme. Learn by heart the rhyme, that is vans, vans, vans. We will meet in the next video. Thank you children.